Welcome back to another episode of CS Fresh Noodle Fridays, or sorry, it's Fresh Noodle Saturday because I didn't have time this week. I've been catching up. I just got back from my trip. It's been a busy one, but I shall be all caught up after today. So I am making something a bit different today. I'm making SUJEBI, which is a Korean wide noodle soup. So we're gonna make this pasta dough. We're gonna pull it. We're gonna drop it in the soup. It's gonna cook up. It is delicious. It's my first time making it, so come along and see this whole process with me. It's gonna be so much fun. Let's go ahead and get started.
All right, so we have our ingredients here. We're gonna start off with some of the ingredients for a broth: garlic, 1 carrot, actually half a zucchini, some dashi powder. We also have an onion, toasted sesame oil, some regular soy sauce, flour, and salt. We're gonna begin by making our dough. So we're gonna add 2 cups of all-purpose flour and a pinch of salt, about like 3/4 of a tablespoon of salt, 3/4 of a cup of boiling water, and pulsing the dough in a food processor. The dough comes together like this. We're gonna bring it and transfer it over to a chopping board and start kneading it out like that. That will make the noodle nice and super chewy. Then we're gonna go ahead, roll that into a ball, and then cover that and place that dough into the freezer while we prep the rest of our ingredients for our broth. We're gonna start by cutting an onion, just like so, and we're gonna go ahead and just easily slice that up. As well as the zucchini, we're cutting that into medallions and then halving that, just like so. 1 potato cut in half. As you know, we're gonna cut those into small pieces. We're gonna bring about 8 cups of water to a boil and adding all of our ingredients in here, including 1 head of garlic and the carrots that I forgot to add in, 2 teaspoons of dashi powder, a ½ teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of soup soy sauce, and of course fish sauce, which I forgot to mention, about 2 tablespoons. We're gonna bring that to a boil and allow for everything to boil up. And then we're going to take our dough out of the freezer. I've cut this in half. And here's the important part. We want to start pulling it with 1 hand, just like so. And then thinning it out as much as you can, making it nice and flat. And then ripping the dough off and directly placing that into the broth. Do that until all of the dough is finished. It only takes about 1 minute to cook. And it expands a little bit. Yum! Take a look at this. It's super simple, super easy, and super tasty. Yum!
If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you next week. Bye!